big hello and welcome to all the planner mums, glam mums, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Simply Gilded March box. It was called Hummingbird. This is a big box. It is the volume 41 and it's a beautiful hummingbirds are there. It's perfect for spring. It has birds and flowers, which are some of my favorite natural things. Yeah, and it comes with many things. The first thing I'm going to show you is the pochette. It's a pink color. I love these big bags, big pochettes she has. You can put so many planning supplies. This itself will be costing around $20 like that, and the whole kit of all the things I have is for $36, so it's really worth the money. And here you can see at the inside is the nice pocket with the same flower. I've put the pen already which comes with this box. This time we have got this pen with the turquoise and pink ombre, and it has hope written on it. If you can see, this is hope in it, very lightly hope is written. I love it. All the pen comes with this attachment, and these are reusable pens. I really love my Simply Gilded the pen, and the I hope she sends some album as well, but unfortunately this will be my last subscription box for some time. So at least May, June, July I'm on a no spend, and let's see in August maybe if I want something I might pick up, because now she does a la carte as well, many of the subscription items. So let's see. And this is how this is another thing that we got. This is the journal that comes, and this is because I think because of this journal, no, because of the pochette, the big bag. The journal is the bigger one this time.40 she has the smaller size, B6 size, but this time I think this is the regular size, A5 size that she gave. It's a dot grid. It has 40 pages. I had already counted long time back. So this is good way if you're a starter and you're just starting planning and you don't have much supplies. You can start with the subscription box. It will help you build up a washi collection and a lot of stickers and everything. Yeah, so this is it, but don't worry, I have around 20 packages still on the way. So even if I have to be on a no spend with all the with the things that I've already got. And this is another thing that came. This is the dangle bookmark. You can put it like this. I really like the concept of this dangle bookmark. I have lots of novels, so I can just read it like this, and it looks so pretty. See how this looks. It looks so pretty. It has a small heart, yeah, and it has the bow, and it comes like this. This is how it comes, and you can be as creative. You can just make it as a knot and put it in any of your traveler's notebook or anything. So this was something unique that she had given this box. Also, all the subscription box comes with this sticker kits. So if you're part, it also comes with this menu card which tells you exactly which. Just imagine, since July of 2020 I've been getting the boxes and I've loved every box. I think April box I didn't get. All right, still March I have got all the boxes. So April, May, June, July, these 4 boxes. Let's see if I like something, I might, but mostly I have planned not to, and maybe pick up some later. Let's see. So another favorite product of mine are the sticker kits that she puts in a box, Irene. They are so pretty, gorgeous boxes, you see. So let's begin with this. I love the new font. It has the 2 day headers, yeah, and then you have the full boxes. Your next chapter is the greatest one yet, and the hummingbird is there, beautiful color. Then these are again 4 full boxes, headers, and I'm very busy with again the days, books, deco. And here are some other these bow seals, half boxes, and again some more deco. See, the whole kit is fully jammed pack. All the date stamps, and these are all the others. So the subscription boxes that I'm subscribed, as if you have been following me, you know, are Shop Villa, Beautiful, Planner Perfect, and this video I'll be posting right away, and I think after that I'll be posting my May Planner Perfect box, because it's on the way. I might receive it today, that's the 29th, and I will be posting that and this maybe together. This might go today and that might go tomorrow. but all of my boxes, especially this, as I mentioned, would be my last because of the I have a plenty of supplies already, and then mostly I will be switching to my Simplify. I'm switching my planner from Erin Condren to Simplified, and Simplified planner, so I don't need a lot of decor because both my weekly and my daily will be using only Simplified planner, and they have their own small functional stickers, so those are good enough for me for my daily planning and my weekly planning. However, for my Harriet Wright, which I'm still waiting because I have to still memory plan from April, that planner, I have so many things coming for that planner. That one planner is the day I'm going to invest a lot of time planning. And so just, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe, and I request you to subscribe because you are going to have some amazing hauls coming few months. Though I'm on a no spend, don't worry, but since I live in Doha, Qatar, it does take some time for me to receive my packages from last month, so just kindly wait. And yeah, so let's go. Another thing that she gave was this priority sticky note. These are like, it has these colors: pink, nectar, sweetly, bluebell, and purple crown. And these are these thin sticky notes. Like, you can use it for like, you know, you want to prioritize something, it's something like that she used it. These are these transparent ones, so if you have written something, if you put on top of it, you can still see. So this is for color coding and things like that. Quickly show you the washi. Before that, I'll show you the mystery item she gives. So this is the journaling card that came this month, beautiful with the blue. I have a collection of these. I love these, they are pretty. You can give it to somebody sometime, like a greeting card, send it as a postcard, or just put it on your one of your albums and hoard it. Yeah, this is the box, this is the envelope in which she sends all of these washies. I'll just show you, but before that, let me show you the mystery kit. This time the mystery kit was this pen holder, so you can always put the pen holder. I love Irene's mystery item. My favorite mystery item she gave is that wallet, that golden wallet in which you can put your card and all. I use that daily. I just love it. And that wallet in a shop, if you're not in subscribed, is $20. So just imagine, when she gave it to us, it was, I paid only $35 for the whole kit. So it was, that's the good thing about Simply Gilded. Honestly, if you're starting your collection, go for this brand. You will love every product. Customer care, Patty, is amazing. Anytime I need anything, I can trust that brand, even if it takes a month for getting my package to me to Qatar. But I know if I don't receive it, they will refund the money. They are such company, and I respect such companies a lot because they send me a planner. There was an error in one of the planners, so they send me a new one. Just imagine, because the one that they had sent had some error. So I'm little sad to leave this amazing subscription service, but I will definitely support Irene in future with getting some washies and all. And of course, her sticker albums are simply amazing as well. And now these are these transparent something she was trying, foiled. These are these thin thing. This also came as a mystery item. Yeah, vellum stickers, I think. Yeah, so this is also a very pretty one. Box also did not disappoint me at all. It's beautiful turquoise and pinks and all that. So this is the whole, if you take a normal box, it's $30, and this is all the items that you would get. When you add on these, it's another $6, so $36 you get all of these whole things that I showed you. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And let's go one by one with the washi. I've already swatched for you as well. This time, as you can see, it's the silver foil. This is the bookshelf. Yeah, these are the functional headers and some meal plan to do and so on. This is an ombre of the purple blue. I love this, how it looks, again with silver foil. And this is like a green, the hummingbird. You can see the hummingbird singing there. Beautiful deco. I wish this kit was hollow, or it had this sparkler hollow, because I'm not that big fan of silver. And these are the other things. This is the silver vine and the bows and the, what do you call this, The aurora pink also is visible. Yeah, now since I don't want to waste your time, so I already had my things swatched for you guys, so you can see how the hummingbird looks. Yeah, the whole once it's open, because when you see the washi open, you see how pretty they are. Now all these washis you can still get in a side, and they are there, but the thing is it will be full price. It will not have the subscription box discount. That's the only difference if you're not subscribed. And yeah, so that's it. And so you can see these are all the items that we received for this month's subscription. For March, hummingbird and the cachete. I want to showcase everything that came. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I wish all of you a wonderful day, afternoon or evening, wherever you are. Stay safe. Again, I pray for everybody in the world that you all take care, and especially my Indians, stay strong, stay at home, please wear your mask, please take COVID seriously. The world is watching you, and I'm sure India will go through this and make a better world. And I really would like to thank all the frontliners in India, in Qatar where I live, to all my friends and subscribers and followers who take the time to watch my video wherever you are in the world. I hope COVID ends soon and we all go back to our normal life. Till then, take care, stay blessed.